So, first on our sofa today is the actor Huw Rhys. So, I do need to learn lots more Welsh, so it's amser Gwers time.
Yeah.
Take it away.
Yeah.
Let's do this.
Let's do it. Okay. Let's start with, now remember when we were talking to Jenny Ogwen, last week?
Yes.
You learned how to use the chi form.
I did, but I messed up once.
And you switched to T.
I switched it back to chi.
She didn't mind though, because she thought you were just being super friendly.
Yeah.
But Huw, young guy, very approachable, very friendly, so we're going to call him T, yeah?
Okay, T.
So, did you or were you, or did you used to, really handy because it means all those three things, yeah? Oeddet ti, or oeddet ti, we say up in North Wales, or you can just say orti, okay? So we swallow a lot of those letters and say orti.
Orti.
So were you, okay? Or did you? So one of the first things we're going to ask him is, did you always want to act, yeah?
Yeah.
So orti isie.
Orti isie.
So did you want to? Actio erioed.
Erioed is always.
Always. Erioed is great. It can mean always or never.
What?
Fantastic.
Okay, just to throw that in there.
But for now,
Erioed.
it means always. Do you know why? Because it's at the end of the sentence.
Okay. One step at a time.
Okay.
We'll get
I got a bit excited there. Right, so, did you always want to act? O't ti isie actio erioed?
O't ti isie actio erioed?
Exactly. Matt, o't ti isie cyflwyno erioed? Did you always want to present?
Oh, that's a deep question. No, I wanted to be Superman.
Oh.
Yeah.
Just see you in a pair of tights.
Come to my house after the show. Okay, what's next, Sam?
School shows. Sioeau ysgol.
Sioeau ysgol. So o't ti...
So instead of saying want, you just drop that off and say o't ti'n actio.
O't ti'n actio.
Mewn sioeau
ysgol. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Did you act in school shows?
School shows.
Okay.
O't ti'n actio mewn sioeau ysgol?
No, actually. No, I did. I was Dan, one of the brothers, and Joseph, and I wanted to be the Pharaoh, and it still upsets me to the day.
The Pharaoh, not the fairy?
Yeah. Not the fairy, the Pharaoh.
O'n i ddim yn actio mewn sioeau ysgol.
Oh,
really?
no.
Oh, I used to hate it.
Oh,
Odd, yeah.
Odd.
Right,
Yeah.
and then, achos bod Huw Rhys yn actio mewn drama, he's acting in a series called Gwaith Cartref, Homework at the moment, ar S4C, we can ask him about his school days, yeah?
Sure.
So, instead of sioeau ysgol, school shows, just ysgol. So, o ti'n hoffi'r ysgol? Did you like school?
Did you like school? O ti'n hoffi ysgol?
O'n i'n hoffi'r ysgol.
Fi ddim yn lico ysgol.
O ti ddim yn hoffi'r ysgol?
Na, fi ddim yn lico.
Na? Pam?
Fi moyn mynd i'r big bad world.
And here you are.
And here I am in the big bad world gyda ti.
O'n i'n SWAT.
Ti'n SWAT, I can imagine.
O'n i'n SWAT.
Well, ti'n
Except in French lessons.
Oh, really?
No,
nah.
ni ddim. Iawn te.
Okay.
O ti'n hoffi'r ysgol? So we can ask him that.
O ti'n hoffi'r ysgol?
And then he's a athro daearyddiaeth, a geography teacher. Daear is earth. Daearyddiaeth.
Oh, okay. Geography. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, o ti'n hoffi, we can go through all the subjects with him. If we get stuck, we can just ask him all the subjects. Oh, hey.
Mathemateg.
O ti'n hoffi mathemateg yn yr ysgol?
Yeah.
O ti'n hoffi cemeg yn yr ysgol?
Cemeg.
Ffiseg.
Ffiseg.
Beth arall? Coginio.
Coginio. Perffaith. Brilliant.
And we're away.
Okay, we're well away. Okay.
Perffaith.
Diolch yn fawr. Ti'n barod then?
Dwi'n barod, ydw. Felly beth am i ni wylio clip o Gwaith Cartref?